I want to show you one of the fastest and most secure ways for buying Bitcoin in this video. Bitcoin is the first and the most popular and highest market cap cryptocurrency out there. And second to it is Ethereum. I also have a video showing you how to buy Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies on this channel and a more detailed dive on what each of these actually is. This video is just a how-to guide on how to buy it if you've already made that decision. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin with Coinbase, which is a very secure and very popular exchange. Basically, you could go ahead and in this case, I'm going to give it US dollars and I'm going to buy Bitcoin with that in return. And you could learn more about Coinbase on their website at coinbase.com. But I do have a link in the description to this specific page, which is my referral page. So every person, once they sign up, they get a referral page. If they refer a friend here, you'll get $10 in free Bitcoin once you buy or sell $100 in any crypto. So it could be Bitcoin, but it could be others as well. So go ahead and sign up with this process, create an account. Once you create an account, make sure you give it all the information, connect some kind of a method of payment like a bank account, so you could actually use your cash to buy Bitcoin. Once I do that, I usually look for the Coinbase app, or I just go directly to the Coinbase website, and then you could download the app here. And if you take a look, it has 1.6 million ratings. I'm gonna download it. I already have it, so I'm gonna open it. And make sure you log in with the same account so you get that $10 free Bitcoin. And basically what you want to do is you want to buy, right? That's the first option we have. You could also do that under the trade menu. But if you press buy here, it's going to bring up a page where it's gonna show you all kinds of different cryptocurrencies. So Bitcoin is number one, but there are other ones. And Bitcoin has other versions that they've actually spun off of the original Bitcoin, like Bitcoin Cash. In this case, we want the original Bitcoin. So it's usually just called BTC. That's the first one. That's what we want. So I'm gonna click on it. And as long as you've added a method of payment, and they have a ton of different ones on their settings, so make sure you connect one. I have one here with my bank. I'm gonna type in the amount I wanna buy. Let's say I wanna buy $100. You could press these double arrows here to see how much Bitcoin that actually gets you. So 0.002 is how much Bitcoin I'm going to get. So you could just buy a fraction of Bitcoin, not a whole Bitcoin. So I'll go ahead and go back to the dollars. You could click this. And if you want to reinvest all the time automatically, you could do daily, weekly, or monthly. I'm just gonna do a one time. So it's only gonna charge me this one-time payment. And I'm gonna preview the buy. And it's going to give you a full breakdown here. So I'm buying Bitcoin at this price. The payment method is here. I'm going to get $97 or so, and there's a Coinbase fee. The fee is basically using this platform. That's the fee for the platform, and that's okay. And then there's $100. Okay, then I'm gonna say buy now, and that will actually take the $100 from my bank and buy the Bitcoin. I'll press it now. And this is the confirmation page that I've successfully bought it using my bank account, and I could just press done. Now, if I go to the asset page will show your balance on top. It will show you your all-time history of using this app and if you've made any money throughout time, and it will show you your balance of the different assets you have. So I have quite a bit of different types of coins here. So Bitcoin and Ethereum are my number one and number two, but as you can see, I have other ones as well, and it will list them, and I'm just blocking out the value of each one, but it will show you the value for any of them that you own on this side as well. Now, if you want a deeper dive into Bitcoin, Ethereum, Metaverse, and NFTs, I do have videos on this channel covering those as well. So check those out, and I hope to catch you next time. Thanks for watching.